DJNTV.
Welcome to TJNTV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news and gist happening all over the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time this video got to you. And if this is your first time of seeing any of our videos, please don't forget to go a step further, like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to know whenever we drop a new video. Now let's take you straight up to the main news. IPOB in search of a new lawyer for NNAMDI Kanu. This is still DJNTV Daily News Update. As the trial of NNAMDI Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, comes to a very crucial and delicate stage, the umbrella body, the indigenous people of Biafra, is seeking to bring into the team a top legal luminary who would replace the current legal team that is representing NNAMDI Kanu at court. Although the indigenous people of Biafra have said they are not going to do entirely away with the current legal team which they have, which is made up of many lawyers, some of them who are rendering free services to NNAMDI Kanu because they believe in the cause that he is fighting for. The indigenous people of Biafra have said that they want a legal team which will be headed by a lawyer with high pedigree, generally known and highly respected within the Nigerian judiciary. A top source of the indigenous people of Biafra said that the current legal team is perceived to be populated by activists who are best suited to work with a legal luminary of not below the rank of a senior advocate of Nigeria, popularly known as a learned silk in the Nigerian legal practice. One of the IPOB leaders who pleaded to be anonymous said that he was not really authorized to speak on behalf of the organization, but he said just for the public knowledge that the indigenous people of Biafra is looking for a highly placed attorney of a senior advocate of Nigeria status who is well versed in the Nigerian legal system and commands respect in the circle. He also said that the envisaged SAN, when engaged, is expected to reorganize NNAMDI Kanu's legal team, mobilize qualified and like-minded lawyers to work as coordinated legal team to secure victory over his terrorism and treasonable felony charges slammed on him by the Nigerian government. He said, as you can see, these are very weighty and serious legal issues that requires a versatile legal representation and not just mere activists who may just be more interested in drawing publicity stunts at the expense of the client, and we do not want anything that can affect the outcome of the case. It was also learned that the indigenous people of Biafra are seriously considering Dr. Onyechi Ikpeazu, who holds a PhD in law and has recorded outstanding victories for his client in most of the cases handled by him. He's a highly respected lawyer, and the IPOB is looking at him to champion the cause of NNAMDI Kanu. But there is every possibility that Dr. Onyechi Ikpeazu may not likely accept the offer, considering the fact that accepting to represent NNAMDI Kanu in court may have a huge implication on his legal career as a leading international legal practitioner. It is also not clear as at what if the IPOB approached Ikpeazu with any offer, what will he say to represent NNAMDI Kanu in court come January 19th and 20th, 2022. The source also said that IPOB is being reserved over an attempt to bring in a foreign legal practitioner to represent NNAMDI Kanu in a Nigerian court, pointing out that it might not work out at the end of the day. He said, the issue of a U.S. lawyer appearing for our client in Nigeria may not work 100% in our favor, but it can at least draw international attention to our case. It would also be recorded that on the 18th of October 2021, the federal government filed 7-count amended charges against the indigenous people of Biafra, bordering on terrorism and treasonable felony. Some of the charges which was filed against NNAMDI Kanu reads that NNAMDI Kanu on different dates in 2014 and in 2015 in London, United Kingdom, did broadcast on Radio Biafra, which was monitored in Enugu and other areas within the jurisdiction of the Federal High Court, and made preparations for himself and others who are now at large for states in the southeastern and south-south region and some communities in Kogi and Benue State to cede from the Federal Republic of Nigeria, which is a punishable offense under Section 41C of the Criminal Code Act, Cap C77, Laws of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 2004. Another of the charge that was leveled against NNAMDI Kanu says that NNAMDI Kanu, all about the 28th of April 2015 in London, did broadcast on Radio Biafra and referred to Major General Muhammadu Buhari, GCON, retired, the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Nigeria, as a pedophile, a terrorist, an idiot, and an embodiment of evil, knowing same to be false, and you thereby committed an offense contrary to Section 375 of the Criminal Code Act, Cap C77, Laws of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. NNAMDI Kanu was also accused of concealing a radio transmitter known as Tram 50L, which he said was for household use, but in reality was a radio transmitter which he intends to use for his Radio Biafra broadcast, and is an offense according to the laws of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. NNAMDI Kanu was also accused of professing to be a member of the indigenous people of Biafra, a proscribed organization in Nigeria, and thereby has committed a punishable offense under Section 16 of the Terrorism Prevention Amendment Act 2013. This is still DJM TV Daily News Update. So guys, there you have it. The indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, have said that they are looking for a new lawyer, a highly respected one at that, at the Federal High Court in Nigeria, one who is also respected internationally, to represent their client in court. And they are looking at employing the services of Dr. Onyechi Ikpeazu, a highly respected Nigerian lawyer, both in the Nigerian legal sphere and internationally. They have said the reason why they are not going to consider a US-based lawyer is because it may not work out 100% in their favor in a Nigerian court, but it may draw international attention to the case of NNAMDI Kanu. But what's the issue right now is that they are not so sure if Dr. Onyechi Ikpeazu will accept their offer to represent NNAMDI Kanu in court, considering the implications it will have on his legal career as a Nigerian lawyer as well as an international lawyer. There are still fears and reservations that the indigenous people of Biafra are having. But a lot of persons have said that Dr. Onyechi Ikpeazu may accept the offer if the indigenous people of Biafra calls upon him to serve in their cause to ensure that NNAMDI Kanu is released and all charges leveled against him is dropped. This is still DJM TV Daily News Update. So guys, what are your thoughts and comments concerning these issues? I know the IPOB have said most of the lawyers they have right now are activists who are just trying to use NNAMDI Kanu's case to gain popularity in the country. And as we have seen in many occasions, most of these lawyers are locked out of the courtroom during the proceedings at the Federal High Court. So drop your thoughts and comments concerning these issues of IPOB looking for a new lawyer to represent NNAMDI Kanu and to lead his legal team. Do you think Dr. Onyechi Ikpeazu will accept their offer or not? Drop your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying with us till the end of this video. But before we go, we just want to let you know that we're also on Facebook and on Instagram at DJMTV. Also check out our website at www.djmtv.news. There we drop news 247 non-stop. Do not forget that you could also place your advert with us here on DJMTV News, and be rest assured that your business will get to the desired market. Well, so we'll come your way again with another edition of DJMTV Daily News Update. I remain your host, Laura Favor. Yeah.
DJMTV. DJMTV. people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to NNAMDI
NNAMDI
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
NNAMDI